Hey there, keto enthusiasts and foodies. Welcome to our video. Today, we've got a treat that's become an absolute sensation in the keto community. It's the mouth-watering keto cracked chicken recipe. Let's dive into the video. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 8 Oz 1 block of cream cheese, softened, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and half cup of chicken broth, and half cup of cooked and crumbled bacon, about 6-8 slices, 1 packet of ranch seasoning mix, or make your own with spices like garlic powder, onion powder, dried dill, and parsley, salt and pepper to taste, fresh chives or green onions for garnish option. Cook the chicken. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a little cooking oil if needed. Cook the chicken breasts for 5-7 minutes on each side or until they are cooked through and no longer pink in the center. Prepare the creamy sauce. In the same skillet, add the softened cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, chicken broth, and ranch seasoning mix. Stir continuously over medium heat until the cream cheese and cheddar cheese have melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy. Add bacon. Mix in the cooked and crumbled bacon, reserving some for garnish if desired. Slice the chicken. Slice the cooked chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. Combine and serve. Add the sliced chicken to the creamy sauce mixture in the skillet. Stir to combine and let it simmer for a few minutes to heat the chicken through. Garnish and serve. Garnish the keto cracked chicken with additional bacon bits and chopped fresh chives or green onions. If desired, serve your keto cracked chicken hot, either on its own or with a side of low-carb vegetables like steamed broccoli or cauliflower rice. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.